To tell you the truth, our role in life is to get married. This is the utmost important thing in life after ibadah. إِن يَكُونُوا فُقَرَاء يُغْنِهِمُ اللَّهُ مِنْ فَضْلِهِ. If they are poor, Allah will make them rich from His grace. So marriage is highly recommended in Islam. It is sufficient that the Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, when a man gets married, he has completed half of his deen. So he should fear Allah in the other half. So it's a huge responsibility. Unfortunately, with girls, like the song goes, girls want to have fun. They focus entirely on a job, and they may postpone proposals when they're 25, 30. What are you doing? No, a few more years, Sheikh. I'm pursuing my career. And when I be a manager, no, I want to be a GM. No, I want to CEO. And by the time they've reached their goal work-wise, they start looking for proposals. And unfortunately, they don't get proposals for a wife. They get proposals for a nurse. Because those proposing are over their 60s. So they want a nurse, not a wife. You're too late. And unfortunately, I have this in my own family, my own daughters. Some of them don't want to get married. Why? I want to pursue my career. I can't force them. I can give them advice. I can preach them. But usually, a preacher's preaching is not valid in their own homes. I have da'is, males and females, who come to me and beg me to speak to their children. And I go in half an hour, invitation over dinner, I speak to their children, and boom, mashallah, they accept. And they're practicing, committed. And they said, wallahi, we tried everything in our arsenal, it did not work. I called this da'iyah, this female, she's a friend of my wife, to come and speak to my daughters. In half an hour, she has wonders and magical tricks. And I say to my daughters, why don't you listen to me? She's my student. She said, nah, it doesn't sound well. If you have a guitar player in your family, he doesn't know how to play guitar. Music is haram, by the way. But if you listen to the neighbor's guitar player, oh, it's good. Because you're used to it. Therefore, I tell you, your priority is your marital life. You get proposals, the proposal checks all boxes, alhamdulillah, get married. If he says you can stay and continue your work in education and a halal job, it's a win-win. If he says, no, I'm rich enough to provide for the house, you don't have to work, then you have to stay home, mom. You say, okay, but I have my parents to provide for them. I said, no, you don't. You want to repay some of what they had done, but this is their job and not something they're making out of generosity. It's their job, my jobs as a father, to give my daughters and to bring everything to them. They're trying, by the way, to give me something back in cash. I don't take cash from my, I don't take things from my daughters. I live and die to provide for them. I would not accept anything from them. I don't need help, alhamdulillah. So you focus on your marital life. If there is something coming. If there's nothing coming, continue your work, continue your job until Allah sends your way someone who checks all the boxes, practicing, fears Allah, not a mommy's boy, and he does all these things, then inshallah, Allah will make things happen and Allah knows best.
Inshallah.